namin i-discover the tumor very early. At may chance pa talaga ako din ito, but when tumors are persistent and often come back, and minsan po it's not possible to move it. So, nag-taking MRI and CT scans and all those things we can do.
Pinapabayaan mo pag-aaral mo dahil nalaman mong may sakit ka? Alam ko namang mahirap, Yana, pero hindi natatapos ang buhay mo dahil dyan. Ano, nababaliw ka na ba, ha? What's happening?
You're so annoying. I just have to go to school, right? Now leave me alone.
Lagi ka na ng break, hindi ka na nagpapasok. Alam mo ba, mga grupo mo, nagre-reklamo sa akin, hindi na daw nagpapasa ng mga kaibigan. Hindi ka naman ganyan dati, di ba? Ano nangyari sa'yo, Yana?
Parang gusto ko nang inumin. I said, gusto ko nang inumin. Wag dyan. Gusto namin sa labas, yung malamig.
Parang gusto mo i-try
Uminom na naman kayo.
Anya! Where are you? Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, antayin mo ako dito?
Opo, sorry.
Ibili mo nga akong gamot, yung pang-hangover.
Anong gamot?
Tingin ka ba? Sabi ko, yung pang-hangover!
Yan, tanong-tanong pa kasi, lata namang bad mood si Yana.
Inis na inis ako sa mga bobo, Tapos ayusin mo.
Anyway, Yana, birthday ko today. Mag-bar kami. G? G?
Pre, tulungan mo kami. O si Yana, hindi nyo kasabay?
Hindi Iba kasi way namin. Ingatan mo yan Nice meeting you. Kaya mo pa?
O sige. Kasama naman namin si Charles dito eh.
Sure ba kayong iwanan niyo si Yana sa bago niyang meet?
Why not? She can take care of herself.
Charles, may tubig ka ba dyan? Oo, meron. Sige. Oh, tubig Humog ka muna.
Galing din ng mga kaibigan mo, no? Iniwan ka sa mga lalaking ngayon mo lang nakilala. Kahit ba siya yung mga yun?
I can go home with myself. I don't need them. I don't need you.
Tingin mo, paano natin iuwi to?
Tingin mo, makakauwi pa yan? Pabagsak na,
Sige, sa amin na lang.
Excuse me? Si Ali ba yan?
Sino ka ba, pre? Sinong aling sinasabi mo?
Si Yana!
Relax, pre. Wala naman kaming ginawang masama sa kanya eh.
I'll ask her about that. Alam ko kung saan siya nakatira. Akin na siya.
Ano, gising ka na? Ano yun? Ba't ka naglasing ng ganun? Puro lalaki pa mga kasama mo. Hindi mo ba alam kung gaano kadelikado yung ginawa mo? Iniwan ka na lang nila sa akin pagtabas kang sabihin na kilala kita. Choose your friends wisely, Ali. Paano kung may nangyari sa'yo masama?
Ang aga-aga? Can you get me a glass of water first? God!
Hello?
Sorry about last night.
Mista?
Yeah, I got home safe.
Pauwi ka naman ba ng may ginawa pa siya sa'yo?
No, he didn't do anything. I think.
Ali!
Sorry. I'll call you back. What?
Naninigarilyo ka? What are you doing? Hindi ka naman ganito dati ah. Ano, nagdrugs ka ba?
Bakit ka ba
Ali!
nangingialam? Sino ka ba, ha? Ano naman pakialam mo ngayon? I don't even know who you are.
Ali, I'm sorry, pero gusto ko lang maintindihan. Bakit nagkakaganito ka? Sabi mo hindi ka naman naninigarilyo, sabi mo hindi ka mag-aalak. Ali!
Ah, I remember you. You were the kid back then, right? It's Yana! Kung sino man yung kilala mo, patay na yon, okay? Ali's not here anymore. Where are you even, Pap? I thought you were dead.
Yana, kain na. Ba't kayo sinisigaw?
I'm sorry, Ana. Let me know when you want to talk, okay? Nandito lang ako.
Anya, bakit nandito ka pa? Hindi ba sinabi ni Yana na hintayin mo siya sa stairs ng 4th floor?
Sinabi niya yun?
Oo, hindi ka ba nakikinig? Oh, iiwan mo pa yung bag niya.
Salamat.
Hi Anya, can you take a look inside Yana's bag and check if her wallet's there? Thank you.
Bakit na sa'yo yan, Anya? Ang ginagawa mo? Ba't hinahalungkat mo? Asan yung wallet ko? Kinuha mo, no?
Hindi, nagpaka na kay Elise.
Sinisisi mo pa talaga si Elise.
Hindi ko talaga alam, baka alam ni Elise.
Anya, saan ka pupunta? You sure had the guts to take what is mine?
Okay ka lang? Yana, sumusobra ka na.
Let that bitch learn what happens when they can get their last piece of my place. Wallet ko, ibalik mo.
Okay na?
Sakit ng ulo. Nahihilo ako. Normal ba to?
Sorry sa kanina, okay ka lang ba?
Why are you here? Get out! I don't want to see your face. How dare you? I hate you so much. May tape ka? And also, can you get that for me? Total sa'yo naman yan. Ang bait mo talaga. Oh. And can you please buy me a drink outside?
You didn't know? May kumakalat na video, Yana.
What video?
Video na binubuli mo si Anya. Makalat na kaya sa internet.
Shit.
Tumutawag na yung mommy niyo. Ano kayang meron?
Did you have anything to do this?
Of course, he took the video.
And you planned the whole thing? And you knew about this, didn't you? Never show your face again in front of me. Jace, what are you doing here?
Yana,
Yana, ano tong kumakalat na video?
Can you please not? I had a long day. I've heard shit all day from school and my mom. Huwag ka nang tumagdag pa. Why does it matter to you? The person you knew before, Ali, was dead.
No, I refuse to believe that. Ali is right in front of me. Lost, hurt, and scared. Ali is lonely and she's waiting to be found. That's why I'm here. That's why I came back.
You saw the video. Ako yung nananakit sa kanya. Ako yung nabubuli sa kanya. It was all me. And you're saying that I'm hurt? I'm scared? What would I be scared of?
It was also you who did those things. It's true, I can't deny that. But it was also you who helped me when we were young, remember? I got lost, you found me, you stayed with me. Kahit pinapagalitan ka na ng parents mo. It was also you who gave me hope na may sakit sa puso. Ikaw yung iniwan ko noon, crying, because you didn't understand why your only friend had to leave and hindi man lang kayo pinayagan na may pagpaalam sa isa't isa. It was also you too, apparently, sabi ni tita, who cried for weeks when she told you that the boy you liked was dead. Ikaw yun. Ikaw lahat yun.
Nagkasakit ka?
Yes, Ali. It was the reason why I had to go away. I'm sorry I didn't tell you.
Was that why you told die? Para hindi na ako maghintay sa'yo?
It was a risky operation, Yana. It was more likely that I die bago matapos yung surgery. Now, I'm telling you this is not the way. Alcohol, cigarettes, ano may tutulong niya sa'yo? You'll kill yourself before your cancer kills you. Yes, sinabi sa akin ni tita kung bakit ka nagkakaganyan.
What am I supposed to do then?
What? Just because you're dying that means you have the right to bully people? What do you want to achieve by hurting other people, Yana? Tell me, what are you so afraid of?
I want them to suffer, Jace. I want them to feel my pain. Gusto ko rin sila masaktan. Kasi you know what hurts the most? Is that I can't tell anyone I'm all alone. I can't cry to anyone, Ace. Kailangan ko na masasandalan. Choose your friends wisely. I don't have any friends, Ace. I'm so scared to die alone.
Maging miserable ka na lang, Yana. Sarili mo lang sinasaktan mo every time nananakit ka ng ibang tao. I know you know that. Yana, nandito na ako. You can tell me everything, I'll listen. You don't have to be afraid. I'm here for you and I'll help you.
You were dying? How did you cope with it?
You survive, Ali. You fight, you don't just live. You have fun like other girls your age does. You do stupid things, but don't bring other people into it. Also, I wasn't alone, remember? I had someone give me hope. I had someone to go back to. Please, let me help Ali. Let me help you like you helped me back then. Tanda mo ng mga bata pa tayo kahit sobrang maliit na bagay, masaya na tayo. Remember having bucket list? We said we do things we weren't able to do back then because we were children. Do you remember?
I remember mine. I don't remember yours.
Of course you don't. I didn't tell you any couldn't read yet back then. Do you want to do them?
Okay, you kept the list?
Of course. I always kept it with me.
What's that?
Chicken carbonara. Your favorite.
Why chicken carbonara?
Why not? As far as I know, you need protein. Ayaw mo na ba ng chicken yan?
No.
Ayaw mo ng carbonara?
No.
Then I don't see the problem. Take a seat. Baka mamaya pag nagtikman mo,
As if masarap.
here. Your favorite.
Bakit ako lang? Asan yung sa'yo?
Wait lang. Ah. What happened? Are you done?
Mm,
Why? Did you not like the food?
I do. Bago ko nga ang favorite to eh. It's just, wala lang akong appetite. I guess, para akong nasusuka.
Is that so?
Mm.
Take it easy then. Kainin mo na lang mamaya. Wait? Seryoso ka ba?
Shut up! I don't even remember putting that in the list. Well,
Hindi ka naman kasi marunong mabutan ng bata ka pa. I get it. You were kinda stupid.
I was a child. Batang mahilig magbasa. Hindi mo ba alam? Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit ang hindi ka magbasa. Oh, shit na.
I know it takes you everything to get through the day.
Lahat naman mamamatay, di
But
ba?
you're one
I'm so
step
scared
closer
to die alone.
than you
Uh-huh.
What? It is scary. You can prove me wrong. You can't die first just to prove that it's not scary.
Who knows?
Why are you here na naman? Bored na bored ka ba sa buhay mo?
What? Can't I hang out with you kung di natin gagawin ng bucket list? I like spending time with you. Is that wrong?
Ikaw hindi ka sinasabi sa akin.
What if I tell you that I like you? What would you do?
Why would you even like me?
You and me.
I reject you, I guess.
Ouch. What's wrong?
Ang sakit ng ulo ko.
Hungover?
No. I stopped hanging around them after the incident with Anya.
That's good.
Never mind that. Anong ginagawa mo?
I'm writing something I can leave for when I die.
Are you planning on dying soon?
I'm an aspiring Dr. Yana. I know how fickle life is.
Hanggang kailan mo ba akong tatawagin Yana? Just call me Ali.
No. What happened, Ali? Are you okay?
Namamanhid kamay ko, Ace. I can't feel anything.
Let me play for you then. This reminds me. Nasa bucket list natin to.
I can't remember. Some of my memories getting hazy these days.
Symptom?
Probably. It's been a while since my last one.
Wow, competitive ah.
Baka hindi kaya magpapatalo sa'yo, no? Sampalampa mo kaya noon.
Ready?
I know it takes you everything to get through the day. But you're one step closer than you were yesterday. The troubles you've been carrying are weighing you down.
Oh, Yana.
I'm sorry, nanghina yung legs ko.
It's okay. Let's rest for a bit then.
Ace, may date na surgery ko. I'm scared but also excited. I hope this will be the last of my brain tumor surgery. Sana rin walang maging complications. Ace, I'll be in the hospital for a while. Visit me? Not replying. I'm thinking of apologizing to Anya after I get discharged. I want to ask her if she would want to be my friend after everything that happened. Ace, mawawala ka na naman ba?
Hi, Ali. I know I died because there's no way I would have let you read this while I'm still walking on this earth.
So you'll never drown.
It's not so scary now, isn't it?
'Cause
Are
you're
you still
too
scared? Don't be.
beautiful to
I'll be
cry.
waiting for you here.
You shine a
Make me wait
light
long,
that's too
okay?
bright to die. I'm
Live
with
your
you
lives
for
to the
every
fullest.
step
I don't
you
want you to die
take.
early.
I need
Don't
you
follow
to
me too soon.
know you'll be
I
okay.
told you, didn't I?
And you're so
Life is fickle.
perfect when
I
you
didn't expect to be
smile.
dead before
You've
you.
came too
But what
far
happens,
to give
happens,
up
I guess.
now. 'Cause I'm with
But
you're so
it's not fair.
perfect when you
I want chicken
smile. You've came
carbonara.
too
I won!
far
I
to
won!
give
I
up
won!
now. 'Cause I'm
Ali,
with
don't
you
cry.
every
I'll
step
ask
of
Tita to
the
teach me
way.
Tito's
I need
recipe
you
for
to
chicken
know,
carbonara
I
so
need
I
you
can
to
cook it for you
know
anytime.
you'll be
Okay?
okay. Got a
You can't get
million
close to the
little
kitchen. It's
reasons
dangerous.
why you
Oh, I
should
guess it will have to wait for
stay.
when we're older then.
Even if you never see them, I
Huh?
promise I will
Fine! Don't
keep you
make my red shirt so long.
safe. 'Cause you're too beautiful to cry. You shine a light that's too bright to die. I'm with you for
Ace,
every
why do you
step
like
you
reading?
take. I need you to know
I
you'll
like
be
learning because
okay.
when I grow
And
up,
you're
I
so
want to be someone that treats people
perfect when you
kindly.
smile. You've
I want
came
to
too
be someone
far
who
to
helps
give
other
up
people.
now. Oh, I'm with you every step
You're
of the
already doing
way.
that.
I need you to know,
Hmm,
I need you to
still,
know
I
you'll
want
be
to learn how to read soon, so I can also read books that you like.
Ali, look at her. She's so cool. Ang galing niya mag-gitara.
I want to learn how to play the guitar too.
to cry. You
Mag-uwi
shine
na
a
sila,
light
Ali.
that's too
Let's go
bright to
home.
die.
It's late na
I'm
din
with
eh.
you for
Baka
every step
mapagpagalitan ka na ni
you
tita.
take. I need you to know, I need you to
Let's
know
stay for
you'll
a
be
few minutes more.
okay.
Ace, bakit ka ba nagpakapagod? Sa lahat ng pwede niyong gawin ni Ali, naghabulan pa talaga kayo? Alam mo namang hindi ka pwedeng mapagod. Call an ambulance!
No, please. But I have to let her know.
I'll tell her, okay? Don't worry about the thing, Ace. Go get well.
No.
Okay, let her know when you're feeling well.
I will.
I didn't think that you'd die for real. And this time na iniwan mo na talaga ako, you had an accident the day of my surgery. Did you plan that? Di pa ako nadi-discharge sa hospital. I was already diagnosed with severe sepsis after nila makitang may signs ako of organ dysfunction and systematic infection. They gave me your heart, Ace. I almost had heart failure. That's a weird coincidence. You know, I told you I'd reject you if you confessed to me. But it wasn't because I didn't like you. You knew I like you kahit ng mga bata pa tayo. I only said I reject you because I didn't feel worthy of your affection. But I wanted to earn that. Kaso kinuha ka naman sa akin ng maaga. We didn't ace. Natapos natin ang bucket list. In another life? That's unfair. I wanted you on this one.
It was heaven a moment ago. Oh, I had it all.
Watch me. I'll work for it. I'll be better so that I could die without regrets. And you can just miss me knowing that I miss you in your heart. You're good. Even if you don't look there, I'll swear I'll find you in another life. Okay?
I can't seem to let myself leave you, and I can't breathe anymore. Oh, I can't see